Matthew, I can give you a card. And this is what you call the dance floor, right?
That's the one.
Yeah. Wow. This is amazing. So what size are those? Are those 12 by 12s? 10 by 12s?
10 by 10 by 8, I believe. Yeah.
Wow. Those are just incredibly huge timbers. Look at that. Whoa.
They're about 60 to 62 feet long.
Whoa. That's a big old tree.
Yes. Yeah.
It looks like a 6 by 6 up there, and then like a 4 by 6 maybe?
6 by 8.
6 by 8. Wow.
4 by 6.
Amazing. Just unbelievable. Now this, I guess, is one of the problems because I see a lot of wood under
That
it.
is T3. That's the one.
This is the bad boy.
This one and that one, we're carrying the chandelier.
Oh, so we're in the very center of the church right now.
Right.
Yeah, big caution. That might leave a mark.
That's one of the crosses that is just.
Yeah, just compacted with all the termite damage through there. Unbelievable. So now this superstructure you have here is actually holding everything up,
Clean everything up.
and you're going through and replacing it.
Right. Right.
Look at that crack. Oh man, that's amazing. Whoa. It's amazing what a 1/4-inch drop in that floor makes you feel like. It feels like a mile.
Right.
Oh my, good night gracious. Wow. And so here's some shoring you put in. This is new treated lumber, I see, right?
Right.
Very good. And this is some of the furring strips
That's some
from
of
the...
strips. The drywall is attached to it with plaster.
Wow. So those little boogers were nibbling away.
Yes, they have.
Amazing.
Hungry little thing.
Yeah. Just unbelievable. I tell you, you really are impressed with the engineering of the day when this was put together, and how long it's all the things that withstood, you know, earthquakes and fires and hurricanes,
Right.
and then a little tiny bug comes along and takes it all apart. That's just sad. This is just remarkable. Well, lead on. I'll follow you.
Pretty much every single truss, has termite damage.
So now the whole roof will now be steel, or just the damaged parts?
The damaged part is gonna get repaired, some replacing, with all steel.
Wow. Well, this is some really fabulous work you're doing here, Manuel. I can't thank you enough for giving me access.
Thank you. There's more termite damage.
Yeah.
Those termites just went across, just like the highways.
Yeah.
Crosses.
They found a tasty board and just kept going, huh? Well, I know that people who haven't been able to get up here and actually see this will really enjoy this tour, so I thank you again.
Yes, no problem.
Huh. Now I'm just curious, what is this about?
Now that is
Oh, is that what-
in the cornice.
Okay, okay.
Detail
Now what is that, like a limestone? Or slate or something? Some real...
I know it's some kind of a slate.
Okay,
I'm
and
not
so
sure
that's...
what kind.
Oh, wow, okay, so I see them now. They're kind of all the way down.
Right.
And they're holding that beautiful cornice work up. Okay. Very nice. And this is a solid masonry wall. Looks like maybe a Flemish bond.
Right. again, termites everywhere.
Yeah. Look at there, the old knob and tube wiring. Wow, this is just fabulous. Thank you so much for this access. Tremendous work y'all doing here. Can't wait for the rededication day. That's what I'm looking forward to. Getting back in here and start having church again. That'll be a lot of fun.
Absolutely. I mean, that'd be exciting.
Yeah. This is great. Well, thanks so much.
No problem.
I'm just going to scoot up here. Look at this little front part up here. I can only imagine the plans you had to have to start putting all this structure together. This is just amazing. All these pipes and fittings and everything's got to be in the right spot, and it's just fabulous work. Absolutely tremendous. Again, watch out for the giant I-beams. So you have an elevator too?
Yes, we do.
For heavy work materials?
Work.
Very nice.
I believe it's about 600 I-beams that came up. Wow. You know.
Yeah, you don't want to just put those on your back, do you? Fabulous. Oh, and there are the stairs.
Right, upstairs. Now that's pretty much it, you know.
Well, that's great. Well, listen, man. Well, I just want to thank you so much. I appreciate it letting us have access up here, and hope everybody will. Yeah, hope everybody will see what's going on and pitch in and help us put it all back together.
All right.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.